Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a flower pot and a sprinkler. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a pot. I continue to draw the stem of a flower. Then, I draw a pistil of flowers and draw petals like this. Then, I draw two leaves. Next to the flower pot, I draw a sprinkler. Draw a handle part like this. Then I draw a watering section. I draw a flower on the sprinkler. I draw water drops like this. Then I use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use yellow to paint this flower. Then I color these leaves green. Brown. For this pot, I use dark green. I color these parts yellow. I color these parts yellow. Orange. Light green. Purple. Light purple. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.